Hey guys, so it's Christmas. Well, it's after Christmas now, and we just got our loot crate while we were doing our annual tour of our state to see all of our family. Um, this is the December crate. We did have to change our address, and we did do it late. That's like kind of on us. But both this crate and the alleged crate that was sent to our house were sent on the same day. The alleged crate that was sent to our house made it there on December 23rd. Whether or not it's still there is kind of anyone's guess. This crate got here late on the 26th, and we were not here. We were with other family that day. So we are just now opening it for the first time. There's the inside of the box. It's kind of neat looking. And cryo. So this was the Galaxy crate. Galaxy crate. Which, let me put this box over here for now, which did include the shirt, which even though Christmas is kind of over, somebody's going to be wearing. Okay. And then we have the Halo case. I don't know if it was supposed to come in a plastic bag. I think some of the people's things I've seen came in plastic bags. Mine did not. So there is that. And then there is the Halo 5 code, which was stuck in mine for a supply request pack. So this code's probably going to go up on the Loot Crate Reddit because we don't have this. We want this, but we don't have this. And then inside the case, because they maximized their space, that's my 2-year-old, is BB-8 socks, which will be mine because my husband can't wear them. The Galaxy Quest patch right there, which may or may not go to someone else. Now, a lot of people were complaining they did not get one. The gold button. We always get the gold buttons. I don't think there's been a single month where we did not get any gold buttons. My 2-year-old's very excited about this next one. Or it is Old Man Han Solo, which, if you haven't seen the Star Wars movie yet, I'm very sorry. But that's about all I'm going to say to it. No, not give you. Han Solo, one of the main persons. This is a Loot Crate exclusive. My 2-year-old wants to show you her lightsaber. I'm not going to let you see that. Looks like there's quite a few Star Wars pops according to the back here. This one, however, is Loot Crate exclusive, as can be seen right there. Yeah. Using the camera is not a good idea. Loot Crate exclusive. So that's pretty neat right there. And then, of course, the lunchbox Halo 10 here is very nice. Back to that. And then, as you can see, it's very deep on the inside, which is why the majority of this month's items were contained within it. My 2-year-old's trying to say she's a Jedi, which is awesome. And then let's see here. Then we have the 2015 Loot Crate year-end review book where they talk about trip across the galaxy, and what came in, what's about their new Loot Crates, Loot Crate anime, Loot Crate pets. And then we have their year in review, which is all the different crates. No hat, go. The Princess Bride in April, the playing cards, these were pretty interesting. All the different crates they had, the highlights from those crates. Pretty standard stuff, some action shots. The Mega Crate, which, I mean, I'd rather want an Xbox One. You know. Interviews with people who did Halo and things, and stuff about the buttons and the ugly holiday sweater shirt. I do have to say, putting in socks, if you're going to do that, get some bigger size socks, because, well, I enjoy getting his socks. He does not enjoy me getting his socks. So, that's going to be it for Loot Crate. Check out the Loot Crate Reddit. 10 to 1, the code for Halo 5 will go up there, because, like I said, we don't have an Xbox One. Wish we did, just for Halo 5, but we don't. So that'll go up there. And catch y'all in 2016 with January's Loot Crate. Till then, keep on looting.